TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this Friday, 26th of February. Just about to wrap up the month. Another, 4 hours to go, and that's it with the candle for the monthly chart. Will we make a new high of 32,009? That was made right there. 32,000 and we went higher, of course. Yeah, 32,009.64 on Wednesday. Yesterday, we made a slightly lower high. That made that peak E. Remember, we were looking for the Dow diamonds and the futures that had that parallel peak C. I said, there's something wrong. It should go to a leg D. Well, it got to the D. Why do I make a fuss about Ds? Look here. Chapman wave notation, it's at peak D, the fourth highest peak, that other things can happen. You've seen it so many times. In fact, I'll just show you something right here, very interesting. Just real quickly, this is the intraday. This is the 1 minute chart. Look at this. Peak D right at 11:40. You've got peak D right there in the 10 minutes. That's the 1 minute chart, 10-minute chart. Made a peak D and it pulled back sharply. Now it's trying to rally. So these Ds are very important. Not that they always happen, but when they do, you've got to take note. So here we are. S&P goes to a peak E, goes to a D, and then a fractional high, 3950.43. And now that was a week and a half ago, and now we're trading at 38.41. This is not a bad candle, but look what we do. We're making lower highs and lower lows. So that says on any time between Monday and Tuesday, if there's a slide below 37.70 in the S&P, watch out. The 36.94 level will beckon quickly. I think there's going to be a bit of a rally. I think that I had a good question that I'll deal with in my show coming up, the Tiger Technicians Hour, about is this it? Is this the 10% or more correction? So the Qs are trading up 4.33 at 317.19. Made a new fractional low. That's a leg C. Trying to rally now. The on-balance volume's got a nice bounce. But all I can see is a maximum of 323. And any bounce there, the weekly chart is making a peak E. And look at the IWM, which was a leader before. It's trying to be a bit of a leader here. It's up $1.53 at 220.13. It's in a fairly narrow range, but it too has made lower lows and lower highs. Gold, oh my goodness, look at gold. What a smash. 56 points down. And look at the dollar. Dollar's trying to rally. Nice. And look at the TLT, which is the bonds, having a bit of a bounce. And most importantly, I'm going to be talking about crude oil when we get back. Why? Because there's a little doji candle from yesterday at a high, and a recovery high. Lots to talk about. And don't forget my webinar coming up on Tuesday. Check out the front page of TFNN.